Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I hope that the videos we keep uploading are helping you out. On this video, guys, I'll be tackling the ninth question from the preliminary exam, which was written in the year of 2023 at the Torah Academy. Please do expect a total number of 12 videos, since the question paper has 12 questions in total. And that simply means each and every question will have its own video. And please, guys, do take this seriously. I strongly believe that knowing how to tackle exam questions will give you an edge whenever you write your preliminary exam, and most importantly, your final examination. So please, guys, do share the video to your peers so that they may have the same edge as you. And please, guys, do help us grow the channel by just subscribing. Nah? Okay, in the diagram below, a cone is cut out of a cylindrical piece of wood. The cone and the cylinder have equal radii, and the height of the cylinder is 2 centimeters more than the height of the cone. Okay, the ratio of the radius of the cylinder to the height of the cylinder is just 1:3. The volume of a right circular cone is just 1/3 pi r squared h. All measurements are in centimeters. Okay, over here, guys, they've told us a very important statement over there, right? Such that the ratio of the radius as well as the height of the cylinder is 1:3. So this statement simply means that together, and therefore, if you cross multiply, you'll end up finding that 3r is just equal to h. So the height of the cylinder is just equal to 3r. Together. This is the first statement that we were told. The second statement that they told us was that the height of the cone plus 2 centimeters. This will just give us the height of the cylinder. So h plus 2 is just equal to 3r. Why? Because h and 3r are equal, and therefore our height of the cylinder is just 3r minus 2 centimeters. Please keep these two things in mind. Né? Okay, we are supposed to show that the volume of the wood left over after the cone has been cut out of the cylinder is given by that expression. Okay, remember that, guys, the entire volume of the cone is just equal to pi r cubed, right? It's pi r squared h. The entire volume of the cylinder is just pi r squared h, right? However, this volume will be decreased. So volume of the cylinder is equal to the volume of the cone, plus the volume left over. Together, and therefore that means for us to find the leftover volume, the leftover volume, I just need to take the volume of my cylinder and subtract the volume of the cone from it. Together, what is the volume of a cylinder? That's just pi r squared h. Together, the volume of a cone is just 1/3 pi r squared h. Together, but we are told that, guys, h is equal to something else. H is equal to 3r, the height of the cylinder, and then minus 1/3 pi r squared, and then our height of the cone is just equal to 3r minus 2. And then this will simply give me an answer of 3 pi r cubed minus, if I multiply the 1/3 pi r squared inside the bracket, I'll end up getting negative pi r cubed plus 2/3 pi r squared. These two will subtract, and then I'll end up having 2 pi r cubed and then plus 2/3 pi r squared. So now I've proven that the leftover volume of the cone is equal to that guy over there. And then I'm supposed to determine the value of R if the rate of change of the volume of the wood with respect to R is just equal to this. Ne? Determine the value of R if the rate of change of the volume of the wood with respect to R is equal to that. Okay, the volume of the wood which is left over, guys, we are given over there. Ne? So I'll simply take the volume equated to 2 pi r cubed plus 2 over 3 pi r squared, right? Once, guys, they tell us about the rate of change. Rate of change, guys, is the same as a derivative. Are you together? They want us to find the value of R if the derivative is equal to this. So the derivative of our volume with respect to R is just equal to 6 pi r squared plus 4 over 3 pi r. They are telling us that the derivative is just equal to 498 pi centimeter squared per centimeter. This is just equal to 6 pi r squared plus 4 over 3 pi r. Are we together? And then all you can do here, guys, is to first multiply each and every term by 3. Whenever I say 498 multiplied by 3, I'll simply get an answer of 1494 pi. This is equal to 18 pi r squared plus 4 pi r. Plus 4 pi r. Are you together? And then you can divide each and every term by pi. You'll end up having 1494. It's 1494 is just equal to 18 r squared plus 4r. You can divide each and every term over here by 2. If I divide 1494 by 2, this will simply give me an answer of 747 is just equal to 9r squared plus 2r. And then 9r squared plus 2r minus 747 is equal to 0. Just use a quadratic equation, guys, to find the value of r, right? Use a quadratic equation. I know that I'll end up having, excuse me about that a bit. I know that I'll end up having, that's minus b. The value of b is just equal to 2 plus 2 squared minus 4ac. The value of c is 747 divided by 2a. And our answer is just equal to 9, guys. Ne? I know that the other one will simply be negative, so I don't need to find it. That's 83 over 9. So the answer is just 9. So the radius is just 9 centimeters. Are you together? What did they want us to find? Oh, they wanted us to find r value. Ne? So r is just equal to 9 centimeters. And that's how, guys, we're supposed to tackle that question over there. So please, guys, do stay tuned and wait for more videos. Thank you.